On October 25, 1921, Tampa Bay suffered the most destructive hurricane to hit the area in nearly a century. I'm Jennifer Colson, and today I invite you to join us as we take a quick glance into this unnamed storm, the 1921 Tarpon Springs hurricane.
"90 years ago marks the last time a strong hurricane brought powerful winds and life-threatening flooding across the Tampa Bay, St. Petersburg metro area, causing at least 8 fatalities and widespread destruction. The 1921 hurricane formed over the warm waters of the western Caribbean Sea in late October. The cyclone quickly turned to the north-northeast, making landfall as a powerful Category 3 on October 25th, just north of Tarpon Springs. A storm surge estimated at 11 feet destroyed substantial portions of the seawall along coastal locations. Inundated areas in Bayshore and Tarpon Springs. Boats were smashed against the docks by the waves. Powerful winds brought heavy damage to structures along the bay. Many structures were reduced to rubble. Waves from the bay were almost breaking in the streets of Ybor City. There were 8 confirmed fatalities, most of them by drowning, as the storm surge inundated near-shore locations.
Historically, this is the time of the year when tropical cyclones have hit our area with more frequency. Therefore, it is essential to be prepared. And getting ready for hurricane season could be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Before hurricane season begins,
put together a disaster supply kit. Include household and special need items. Write out a family disaster plan. Discuss the possible hazards with your family.
Step 2. If you're under a hurricane watch,
check your disaster supply kit. Make sure nothing important is missing. Activate your family disaster plan, including protective measures for your property.
and step 3. When a hurricane warning is issued,
ready your disaster supply kit for use. If you need to evacuate, you should bring your supply kit with you. Follow your family disaster plan and decide on the safest location to be during the storm.
In 2004 and 2005, the vulnerability of Florida's west coast to hurricanes was again exposed as Charley and Wilma wrecked southwest Florida. Undoubtedly, another big hurricane will eventually hit the Tampa Bay area. With the current urban development, especially over Pinellas and western Hillsborough counties, it is clear that the impact of such an event could be catastrophic.
That's why here, at the National Weather Service in Ruskin, we utilize all of our resources in order to remain vigilant when dangerous weather conditions threaten our area, especially hurricanes.
As we remember the tragic events from the 1921 hurricane, we want to remind you that now is the time to prepare your action plan, because proper planning is essential in order to effectively respond before, during, and after a hurricane. Thanks for watching.